Welcome! If you want to stay up to date with the latest news, events, and updates from your favorite Roblox communities, enabling community announcements notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on these notifications on the Roblox app for PC, following the new update. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your computer. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will open up a list of additional options for your account. Next, from the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust all kinds of preferences for your Roblox experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to enter your notification preferences. Now, you'll see a list of different notification types. Find the option that says Mobile Push Notifications. Click on this to open up more detailed settings for the notifications you receive on your devices. Within the Mobile Push Notifications section, you'll find various toggles for different types of alerts. Look for the one labeled Community Announcements. To enable notifications for community announcements, simply switch the toggle to the on position. When it's on, you'll get real-time updates whenever there's a new announcement from a community you follow. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll never miss out on important updates or special events from your favorite Roblox groups and creators. If you ever want to adjust your notifications again, just repeat these steps and customize your preferences anytime. Thanks for tuning in. Stay connected and enjoy everything Roblox has to offer.